Yeah, hello. Just want to take the Escalator vlog. I'm Karsten Kambach. Nice to see you again. Today, I would like to talk about this little fire extinguisher here, which can be installed in controller cabinets of our escalators. The advantage is that this fire extinguisher automatically detects the fire because of the heat which is developing within the cabinet, and releases its fire extinguishing medium and kills the fire immediately without damaging any other components. That means you only have to replace those components which are directly affected by the fire. The rest of the controller cabinet, all the electronics will remain okay. Meaning you can take your escalator or moving walk into operation very quickly after this fire occurred. Why is this important? Because we have to talk about critical infrastructure such as hospitals, power plants, water plants, airports, train stations. This critical infrastructure has to remain operational under all circumstances. If there's a pandemic, if there's a strike, if there is flooding, even during a war, this infrastructure has to work. And therefore, each and every little incident, like a fire, may be caused by a faulty component within the controller, can have a vast impact when it spreads out and harms a complete terminal of an airport or a train station, which is then not operational anymore. Therefore, this is so critical. It's also important for you to know that insurance companies might consider this as a good countermeasurement against those fire risks, and you will get a much better rating by this insurance company, maybe having an effect also on the insurance fees. TK Elevator is the first company in the vertical industry which is installing this fire extinguisher in the controller cabinet optionally. So if you are interested in this, then please give us a call, contact your local sales representative, and we will make it happen. I hope this is interesting for you. Keep in touch. Bye-bye.